We got the Greenworks AiMowbot C20. We're going to do a quick unboxing just to kind of show you what's inside the box. A lot of these robots, they come with this giant quick start guide. All right, so the quick start guide, I'm just going to throw that up here for now. All right, so this is an RTK enabled AI robot lawnmower, okay? So what that means is it has an RTK, like a separate antenna, and it connects with a wire to the docking station. RTK, then the antenna speaks to satellites, and then basically the satellites then speak back to the RTK and back to the robot, and then it knows where it is in the yard. It's got an app that basically, that's where you use to map everything out. So we have our manual. I'm assuming these are some extra blades. Okay. This, I'm assuming, is the RTK stand. Okay. So we'll leave these in there, but these are nice and black. They look to seem to be nice quality. Okay, we have some cables. So if we look at the cables, you have some nice rubber in there. It basically keeps it from getting any moisture in there. So we'll put that back. This is the RTK itself. So this is what I was talking about. This basically what you do is you set this up, and this is the antenna, okay? This has to have a clear view of the sky, the antenna. How did that go in there? This is very delicate. Oh, all right. We have some more cables. So probably what we do is we have a cable to plug it in to the wall. We have some stakes for the RTK for this. And let's get this stuff out of the way. And there is the robot. Oh, look at him. So we will pull him out, but let's see what else we have here. So we have an accessory kit. Let's see what's inside this accessory kit here. Okay, so these are stakes. Some more stakes. Back up a little bit, Mr. Cameraman. Okay, another. All right, so system stakes, basically to hold the wires. Okay, this says it's a power supply for the charging station, which isn't the charging station. I'm sure there's nothing interesting in there. And then in here, what do we have? We have another box. Doesn't have any labels on it. Okay, this is just another plug. Okay, so sometimes what they do is they'll include two plugs. One plug to plug the RTK into, one plug to plug power into the charging station, which charges the robot, and another plug to power the RTK, because you can put the RTK almost anywhere in your lawn. Or usually the way it works is you can plug this into the power, so you plug the charging station into power, and then you plug the RTK into the charging station. So the RTK is powered by the charging station. All right, so enough talking. Let's get to what you wanted to do here. Oh yeah, that's the robot. So here's the guy here. We got our camera right here. It's got some tape on it, so we'll pull a little bit of that tape off. This is the AI camera. We have our wheels, big wheels, big wheels. I'm actually impressed with the size. Okay, back up a little bit there. Let's look a little bit more. I want to reiterate, this does not require a wire, okay? You have a screen here, stop button here, and then this is where probably most likely the navigation system or the RTKVision is placed. Basically, connects to the satellites. We're gonna look underneath as well. So we have our cutting blade, right? With 3 cutting blades. This is where it gets power. So this is where it comes into the docking station there. Okay. And you can see the docking stations on the bottom. All right. So this is the Greenworks C20 AI bot. Pretty neat. I like the colors. Got your camera right there in the front. Stop button here. And we're looking pretty cool. So we will be setting this up, and we will make another video on this one robot. We're out.